In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an email campaign in GoHighLevel. By the end, you'll know exactly how to design your email, choose who receives it, and send or schedule it with confidence. First, log into your GoHighLevel account. Once you're in, head to the left-hand menu and open Marketing, then select Emails. This is your home base for creating and managing campaigns. Now, click Create Campaign. You'll be prompted to start from a blank canvas or use one of the email marketing templates. Templates are great if you want a head start on layout and structure, but starting blank gives you full control. Next, choose the design editor so you can visually build your message without touching code. In the editor, add your core content. Type in your text, insert images that support your message, and add buttons for your main call to action, like visiting a page or booking an appointment. Adjust spacing, colors, and fonts so everything feels on brand and readable on both desktop and mobile. Save your work regularly so you don't lose any changes. Quick note before we schedule. I've placed a link to GoHighLevel at the top of the description so you can access the platform right away. If you prefer using a mobile app, you'll also find the download link there. When your design looks good, click the Send or Schedule button in the top right. You'll see several delivery options. Send now to send immediately. Schedule to set a future date and time. Batch schedule to break delivery into controlled batches. And Smart Send to optimize timing for engagement. For this walkthrough, let's pick schedule. Choose your date, time, and the correct time zone to avoid sending at odd hours for your audience. Next, fill in the sender details. Enter a clear sender name. This can be your business name. And a valid sender email that your audience recognizes and can reply to. Add your subject line, keeping it concise and compelling. If you need inspiration, you can use Content AI to help brainstorm. Then, add preview text. The short line appears in inbox previews and can boost open rates by reinforcing your main message. Under recipients, choose who should receive the email. You can target individual contacts, a smart list, or specific segments. Make sure you've selected the right audience. If needed, open advanced settings to enable click tracking and UTM tracking, which help you measure performance in your analytics. Finally, click Review and Send. Confirm all the details and then hit Send or Schedule. That's it. Your campaign is live or queued up. Thanks for watching.